Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to address an error in the design table. Some extra columns and rows were getting added. Starting with the design table problem. Go to File menu, and select Part, or Assembly. To see design table error, we'll go to Configuration, under Configuration tab. Select Design Table, right-click on it, and select Edit Table. As shown in video, enter value for respective configuration and hit OK button. After this, go to File, select Make Drawing from Part, select any drawing sheet, and then drag Model from View palette. Then select respective view and create Excel-based design table, and you will notice that extra rows and column is getting added. Till now, we have seen the exact issue of Excel-based design table. Now, we will see solution for this issue. To resolve this issue, open Microsoft Excel, select New Excel Workbook, then go to File, select Options, then select General. From General, select Optimize for compatibility application restart required, then hit OK and close all applications. After making some changes in Excel, we will recreate design table and drawing. Open Part, and go to Configuration. Under Configuration, select Edit Table. Here, see Excel table is included in SolidWorks, means not opened in separate Excel window. After opening design table, arrange the position of table till edges. This will create only design table shown in SolidWorks. Then, either select the interface or click the OK button. After this, go to File, select Make Drawing from Part, select any drawing sheet, and then drag Model from View palette. Then select respective view and create Excel-based design table. So, here, after making some changes in Microsoft Excel, we have successfully resolved this design table issue.